Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video let us understand the electronic retail store. The electronic retail store comes under the specialty retail format which sells consumer electronic products. Examples of electronic stores in India are Tata Croma, Reliance Digital and eZone. Electronic retail store sells television, audio equipments like speakers and soundbars, washing machines, refrigerators, air conditioners, small appliances like water purifier, micro oven, laptops, printers, laptop accessories, mobiles and tablets. Basically, there are 4 departments or 4 categories in an electronic retail store, which are large appliances and small appliances, communication, information technology and home entertainment. So what are the products involved in these 4 departments? So first let us see large appliances and small appliances. These are also called as white goods. These include washing machines, in which we have top load, front load and semi-automatic washing machines. In refrigerators, we have single door, double door, side by side and family hubs. And then we have air conditioners. There are different types of air conditioners which are window air conditioners, inverter and non-inverter ACs and split ACs. Then we have small appliances which has microwave ovens, OTG grills, cooktops, stoves, inverters, fans and coolers, room heaters, vacuum cleaners, personal grooming kits, hair dryers, chimneys and hobs, water purifiers, home care products, to name some of them which are included in small appliances. Then the next department is called as communication. These are the products used for communication purpose and they include mobile phones which are also called as wireless phones, which includes Android and iOS category. Then we have wired and cordless phones, tablets which include Android and iOS. Then we have smartwatches which are called as wearables and fitness watches. Then we have mobile accessories such as screen guards, chargers and cables. Then the third department is information technology. This department will include laptops, desktops, printers, hard disk and IT accessories like mouse and keyboards. The fourth department is called as home entertainment. These are also called as black goods, which includes high-end televisions ranging from 32-inch to 75-inch panels. Then we have audio systems which include party speakers. Then we have digital media players such as DVD and Blu-rays. Then we have Bluetooth speakers and headsets which include smart speakers, Bluetooth audio headsets and earbuds. Usually, the sales contribution in an electronic store is as follows. Large appliances and small appliances contribute 30% to the overall sales. Communication will contribute 35%. Information technology will contribute 15%. And home entertainment will contribute 20% to the overall sales. Now let us understand the manpower and store size. Manpower depends on the store size and business volume. If the store is doing sales below 2 crores, then the store will be having 1 store manager and 1 department manager. And if the store sales is more than 3 crore, then the store will be having 2 department managers and 1 store manager. The sales staff in the electronic store are very trained as they need to explain each and every feature of the product to the customer. So for this, they are trained regularly from the training team, and also the brand team trains the employees on the new launches. The main challenge in electronic retail store is with respect to the after sales service. The after sales service team has to be very strong for the success of an electronic store. So in the electronic retail store, apart from the sales associates, there will be brand promoters deployed by the respective brands, and these brand staff will take care of their respective brands. And in the backend team, we have accounts manager, inventory manager, customer care engineer and customer relationship manager. Customer relationship manager will take care of the customer queries and customer complaint closures and issues. Customer care engineer will be responsible in coordinating with the CRM team and resolving the customer complaints and issues. So now let us see how the products are displayed in an electronic store. Display in electronic store is very unique. The stores will be getting the fixtures from the brand to make the brand look attractive. These are called as space on hire fixtures. Also, the product is displayed as per the brand. That is, prominent brands are placed at the entrance of the store. For example, you may find Apple product at the entrance in many of the retail stores, especially in Tata Croma and Reliance Digital, and also in prominent regional electronic players. And in the large appliances and TV section, the products are placed according to the technology and price wise. The latest technology with high price is displayed at the front in the department at a prominent place. The products are placed in a high to low price range, that is, high prices at the front and low prices at the back. So friends, this was the brief understanding about the retail electronics store. If you have any queries or any suggestions, please you can post down in the comment section. And if you have liked this video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.